for buying from us. Now let's see how to use it. After powering the clock, you can press the biggest button to adjust brightness of the display. Press the 12 or 24-hour button to change the time mode before setting the time. Press and hold the time button for 2 seconds to start time setting. The hour flash. Press the up or down button to set the hour. Then press the time button again to enter the minute setting. The minute flash. Press the up or down button to set the minute. Finally, press the time button again to save your setting. Press and hold the alarm button for 2 seconds to enter alarm setting. The hour flash. Press the up or down button to set the hour. Then press the alarm button again to enter the minute setting. The minute flash. Press the up or down button to set the minute. Press the alarm button again to enter alarm return setting. Press the up or down button to choose alarm sounds, number 1 or number 2. Finally, press the alarm button again to save your setting. When the indicator ALM is lit up, it means alarm is on. If you want to turn off alarm completely, you can press and hold the alarm on or off button for 2 seconds to turn it off. Press the radio button to enter FM radio mode. Then press and hold the radio button for 2 seconds to auto-scan stations. When you're finished, press the up or down button to choose your favorite channel. You can adjust the volume of the radio by pressing the volume button. When the radio is on, choose the channel you like and then press and hold the biggest button until the icon AL displays. It means this channel as number 2 alarm sound. When the radio is on, press the sleep button to enter the radio time setting. You can choose the timing from 10 minutes to 2 hours.